In this video, we'll show you how to use the Seekee app step by step, what features it offers, and how you can get started directly from your smartphone. The first thing we need to do is download Seekee on our device. To do this, search for the app in the corresponding app store and make sure you're installing the correct version before continuing. Once it's installed, open Seekee for the first time. Depending on the version available, you'll be able to start using some of its features right away, and you'll also find different options to customize your experience within the app. One of Seekee's main features is its built-in search engine. In the corresponding section, you'll find a search bar where you can enter whatever you're looking for. Seekee combines different search tools to help you find information directly from the app. In addition to the traditional search engine, Seekee also includes different artificial intelligence tools. You can use AI to ask questions, search for information, generate text, or get help with different tasks related to studying and work. To quickly find all these tools, you can navigate through the different sections of Seekee and select the feature you need at any given time. Some features may be free, while others may require a subscription or have certain limitations depending on the version of the app. It's also a good idea to open the settings section to review your account options, privacy settings, storage, and other available preferences. Seekee aims to bring together a search engine, different artificial intelligence tools, image features, translation, and cloud storage in a single app, giving you plenty of options to explore depending on how you want to use it. And that's it. As you can see, using Seekee is quite simple once you know where to find its main tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.